Hi. So in the previous video, we saw the effect of continue and break in a nested loop. But in that video, I placed the continue and break within the first for loop, but not in the second for loop. Now, we're going to explore what happens if I put the break or continue within the nested loop. Okay, that means the second loop. All right. So let me put a condition here. So if, for example, j equals to 5, okay, then okay, so before that, let's run the code as it is first, just to be sure that we know the output. So the current output is I have the outer loop running for 5 iterations, 0 to 4, and inner loop running for 10 iterations, 0 to 9. All right, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say if, for example, j equals to 5 continue. Okay, so what is going to happen when j equals to 5 continue means I will not do a printout here. Okay, I will not do this cout over here, and I will continue, which means I will come to the end of this inner loop and proceed with the next iteration of the loop. Okay, so whenever j is equals to 5, I will not execute this statement. Okay, so let's see that happening. Okay, so you can see that right now, for all the inner loop iterations, 5 is not printed out. Okay, 5 is not printed out. From 4, I go to 6. Okay, because of this statement over here. When if j equals to 5, continue. Alright, if I replace this continue with a break, then what happens? Then, when this condition is satisfied, I will break, which means I will come to the end of this for loop and I will not continue with the next iteration anymore. I will proceed with the next statement after the for loop, which is this. Alright, and then I go back and start the next iteration of the outer loop. Okay, so let's see that happening. Okay, so you can see that now I only execute the inner loop for 5 iterations, 0 to 4, because once I satisfy this condition, I will break, so I will not proceed with any more iterations of the inner loop. Okay, so that gives you an idea how the continue and break work, okay, when I place them within the nested loop. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.